Jai Srimannarayana. 23rd sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Antavattu phalam tesham tadbhavati alpamedhasam devan devayejo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi. Om. Always be mindful of the fact that only Sri Krishna Paramatma possesses unlimited joy and eternal fruits. That is why worship only Sri Krishna Paramatma. Make sure every one of your actions is being done as service of Sri Krishna Paramatma, so that you can enjoy eternal fruits and enjoy unlimited happiness. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Ho Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall always remember that you are only the source of unlimited joy and eternal fruits. I shall worship you only and enjoy unlimited happiness and eternal fruits. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 42nd day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vasudeva praying to the baby boy who is born to him, realizing that the boy is Sakshat Srimannarayana, and praying like this: Hey Bhagavan, this entire universe came out of you, came from you. Then you are the one who is bearing this one, who is controlling this entire universe, and at the end this entire Srishti is dissolving within you. Hey Bhagavan, in order to protect this universe, this Srishti, You are the one who is present in Suddha Sattva Rupam, pure Sattvika Rupam, in order to preserve and protect this Srishti. And then in order to create this entire universe, you need Rajogunam. So what you do is, you will be entering into Chaturmukha, that soul who has Rajogunam. You enter into that soul and you will administer Srishti-karyam. So also Laya-karyam. In order to dissolve this entire universe, you need Tamogunam. Then you will enter into Rudra who has Tamogunam, and you will do this Laya-karyam. Bhagavan, Tvamasya lokasya vibhoho rirakshishuhu gruhe avatirnosi mama khilesvara. Now, in order to kill all the kings who are not doing right things, who are so unrighteous, and in order to protect this world, you came down and you are born as my son in my own house. Bhagavan, Mintan Mrosi Namrota. Kamsa heard the words came out of space. Munnu neevunna intan puttadavanchun thodin himsinchan nee annalan. By hearing those words, Kamsa killed all those children who are born prior to you. Now, the moment he comes to know that you are born, he will definitely come with his big sword to kill you. Like that, Vasudeva talking to Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvame Tadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 23rd sloka. Antavattu phalam tesham tadbhavati alpamedhasam devan devayajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi. Antavattu phalam tesham tadbhavati alpamedhasam devan devayajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.